Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Vince. Let's fire up those grills and make ourselves some charred grilled oysters. So we want to get our grill piping hot before we start our oysters. We're going to soak our oysters in some ice cold water. Then we're going to start to clean them. We're going to scrub the outside with a scrub brush. And while we're cleaning, we want to make sure to check for any oysters that are open. If we find any that are open, we definitely want to set them to the side and discard them because they're unedible. Once they're cleaned, we're going to set our oysters right on the grill, and we're going to use the heat from the grill to assist in opening our oysters. It's just going to make them easier to shuck. We're going to cook them for about 5 minutes or so. So while our oysters are cooking, we're also going to get our butter mixture ready. So we have about 2 sticks of butter, some chopped garlic, and I use some Italian seasoning for my butter mixture. We're going to melt that all the way down, and then we're going to toss that right on top of our oysters once we get them open. After 5 minutes or so, our oysters should be partially open and should be a lot easier to shuck. Make sure you have a heat-resistant glove, a towel, or something to put on top of the oysters because they are definitely hot coming off the grill. We will top our oysters with our butter mixture, and right on top of that, we are going to add our grated parmesan cheese and breadcrumb mixture to top the oysters, and we'll sit them back on top of the grill and let them cook until they are golden brown. If you want, you can also add additional butter, additional breadcrumbs. This is a make it your own way recipe. You can use as much or as little butter and cheese as you would like. Once our oysters are cooked golden brown on the top, I like to garnish my oysters with a little crushed red pepper. And these oysters are ready to serve and eat. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. We'll see you next time.